All right, guys, I'm gonna show you how to make 1,200 bucks in a couple hours. A few simple things. First thing you're gonna need, you're gonna need yourself a dirty tin roof. Real dirty. Second thing you're gonna need, rope, harness, broom. You're gonna sweep all this down, you see? And then you're gonna pull out a power washer and you're gonna wash it all. That'll take a few hours. Money in the bank, baby. And because I got silicone all over my hands from the last job, I can't grab the pole and I'm having to grab really hard. You know what I'm gonna do? Gonna upcharge. Okay, it's all been swept off. Now it's time to wash this thing. It took me about 45 minutes. Let's wash it, guys. All packed up here. Check out what the process is here. Oh, not the process, and finished product. Hey, you do good quality work, your customers are gonna keep coming back. Don't listen to some of those people and upcharge. Set a price that you can live with. I'm not talking 25 bucks an hour. I'm not talking hundreds an hour. But like I said, it was a big climb up here. You know, under 3 hours, 1,200 bucks. And you know what? Instead of upcharging, oh, I threw in their matching shed roof. Don't upcharge. Give a good price. Do great work. And they'll keep coming back every year. This guy's already coming for next year.